We're back with Youva Originals. Today, let's create a Doughnut Tortoise. Start by molding the dough. Make 2 big and 4 small circles. Create a base plate for the tortoise. Attach it with the head. Mold the pink dough into the shape of a donut. Mold the 4 circles into the shape of legs. Use pink and white dough for the hat. Create sprinkles using different colors. Paste the sprinkles with glue. Decorate with black sketch. Paste the eyes with a glue. Allow the glue to dry completely. Join us again next Saturday for another easy Youva Originals tutorial.